Hey everybody, I'm Chef Shane with Z Grills, and today we're going to show you how to prep and prepare our brown sugar smoked salmon. So there's several steps we're going to walk you through to get the best possible outcome. So for our ingredients, for the rub, we've got some dill weed, we've got some delicious brown sugar, olive oil, a touch of smoked salt, and for a finishing touch later, once we get it off the grill, a little fresh sage. So to start, I'm gonna grab the olive oil. A little extra virgin olive oil is one of my favorites. We're gonna gently coat that salmon. And one of the things that we've done in prepping the salmon is that we've checked to make sure there's no bones. We've left the skin to add a little more flavor, and we've got nice even cuts so it'll cook really evenly. Just a little more oil on the backside to prevent burning. All right, now let's get our rub going. So the base of that rub is that brown sugar. We're gonna add in our dill weed. We get a pinch of smoked salt here for just a little flavor. All right, so we're gonna mix this guy up. Don't be afraid to get in there and really get it all mixed together nice and evenly. Because when we spread that dry rub onto the salmon fillet, we want a nice even layer. It's gonna help browning, it's also gonna help flavor. All right, here we go. Let's start getting this guy on here. You'll see the oil will kind of help mix in with the seasoning, add a little more fat and flavor. Let's get a little more, there we go. Now I'm only gonna do the top. I'm not gonna put a lot of rub on the bottom of the skin. And the reason why is because that sugar likes to caramelize. It brings out the flavor, and if it gets a little too hot, it'll start to scorch. So we're looking to bring everything on the top here, coming together really nicely. Don't forget the ends and the side. Get all the flavor. All right. And there we have it. I'm gonna take my sage leaf with me because we're ready to hit the grill. Hey everyone, our brown sugar salmon is prepped. Our 700 series grill is preheated to 275, so we're ready to get cooking. Let's get started. All right, so we're gonna get our salmon fillet on the grill. One of the things that we've done is we've taken a little extra virgin olive oil and we've put it on the grates in a nice even coat. It's gonna help prevent sticking. We're going skin side down to get a little bit of flavor and to get that skin a little extra crispy as it continues to cook. On the back end, I've got my cast iron skillet, some extra virgin olive oil we're going to use for our finishing touch with the fresh sage. I'll see you in about 20 minutes. We're going to monitor internal temperature to make sure it's perfect. All right, so let's check out our brown sugar salmon. Look at that. Beautiful color so far. I like to hold the spatula upside down. It helps remove the fish from the grate just in case you've got a little sticking and won't rip it apart. All right. There we go. Yes. All right, my friends, now we're gonna do our sage leaf. I've turned the heat up on the grill to 350. I've been preheating this cast iron skillet with some extra virgin olive oil. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna quickly drop our fresh sage leaf into the hot oil. All right, so we're bringing out the color and the flavor of the sage. You can see that green is happening. I'm gonna get it in the oil really, really well. I've got my tongs at the ready. All right, that's looking pretty good. I'm gonna bring this over to my salmon. Add a little flavor and color. All right, my friends, our brown sugar salmon is ready to eat. We're gonna head back in the kitchen and get serving. So friends, thanks for stopping by today and preparing our brown sugar salmon. It's a really fun, simple recipe you can prepare at home on your Z grill. Again, I'm Chef Shane. Thanks for stopping by and cooking with us today.